Good news, Ollie. More on the way.
That's right.
More on the way.
Fresh coating.
And if that was this morning, it was a cold one to be out there doing
Yes.
that. But good news for Ollie and everybody else out there. I think this may have been the coldest morning for the rest of the winter.
Okay, let's put it behind us.
Gonna be tough to beat it. We were 11 below zero in Freiburg, 2 below zero in Waterville, and 1 degree from Wiscasset to Bar Harbor and Bangor. Made it back up into the 20s today. Rangeley did better than 2 below. Ignore that issue with the station there. But well below the averages, which are now in the middle to upper 30s in both Portland and Bangor. High pressure right overhead, so it will be a cold night tonight, but I don't think we have the impressive radiational cooling we had last night. Next system on the way isn't really a full-fledged storm. It's just riding the battle zone between the cold over us and warmth trying to come up from the south. So here are the lows tonight. If the wind lightens up, we'll get down to 9 in Wiscasset and 8 in Portland, 2 in Bangor, 1 below zero in Freiburg. But those temps will be on the way up pretty quickly tomorrow with a southerly wind. And before the clouds thicken up, we should get into the middle 30s in most spots tomorrow. Clouds will be increasing through the afternoon. You're dry through the whole day in central and eastern Maine, but as early as about 3 o'clock, some flakes are possible around Kittery and Portsmouth, and this spreads north poorly timed for about the second half of the evening commute. It'll be snowing by 5 o'clock around Wiscasset and Bath southward through Cumberland and York counties, southern Oxford County for that matter too. And the snow keeps overspreading the state tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. Never comes down all that heavy, but it will be steady for a while. And in this case, temperatures are going to be a little warmer, a little closer to freezing. Most of our snow events this winter have had a dry, powdery, or fluffy snow. This will have a little more moisture to it, so it'll be a wetter snow, and there could even be a touch of rain that mixes in tomorrow night down around the seacoast. This zips through, though, and I think that by Wednesday morning, it's long gone, so very little impact other than the cleanup for the Wednesday morning commute. And Wednesday afternoon, we're back into the 40s, so there will be some melting. Most places south of the mountains pick up between 2 and 4 inches of snow. There could be an isolated amount up to 5, and then very little farther north where there just is less moisture that makes it up there. Nice for Wednesday afternoon, mostly sunny and into the 40s. We're still fairly mild on Thursday, and then this backdoor front comes south Thursday night into Friday as strong high pressure builds in from Canada. This will send cold down for Friday and the possibility for a little wintry mix on Friday. Doesn't look like a big system at this point, and the best chance for that would be in southern Maine as we see it now. Seas 4 to 6 feet tomorrow with southwesterly winds 10 to 20 knots on the water. So a little sun tomorrow morning, clouds thicken up, and then evening and overnight snow tomorrow night. I think the evening commute is snowiest to the south. The snow holds off farther north and east. Mild though Wednesday afternoon back into the mid and maybe upper 40s. Dry for Thursday, and then it's unsettled Friday as we've got this front nearby, but that front should go back north late in the weekend. We could be in the 50s for the first time this year on Sunday.
That's going to be muddy.
It will be
good
muddy.
point, yeah.
That is a good point, yeah.
All right, Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.